In case you missed it, in my series recap of that Orioles series loss, I have basically declared the Twins done. I can't withhold any more optimism that they're going to turn this around to the point where they're going to make a playoff push. And, one of the reasons for that is time. And I think, it is the baseball season is impossibly long to wrap your head around. 162 games. It's absolutely ridiculous. The Twins do have 107 games left, and they are still, to be fair, single digits out in the AL wildcard. They're 9 games back in the AL wildcard. So, doing that math, things seem pretty rosy, and you kind of can talk yourself into some optimism, especially thinking, hey, if the Twins can get some of these guys back from injury. But that's not the math that we're working with here. The trade deadline in baseball is a massive date on the calendar, July 31st. Teams make big moves both directions at the trade deadline, and the Twins, that is the date that we should be looking at here. There's about 50 games in between now and the trade deadline for this Twins team to show the front office that it deserves an investment instead of a fire sale, basically. And that's not a lot of time. I figure they need to go something like, I think it was 51 games. They need to go something like 31-20, which is like a 98 win pace in between now and the trade deadline. That's just to get to 500, So even at that point, there's no guaranteeing that the front office would not sell off assets or, let alone add pieces. I don't like this. Hey, if you're keeping optimism, don't let me drag you down. That's not what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to drag anybody down who's optimistic. I'm just going to share this so you kind of understand where I'm coming from when I talk about this team, the things I'm going to focus on, for the next couple months here, and the way I shift how I talk about this team, what we're looking at. That's where I'm coming from, is essentially what I'm trying to put out there. So again, if you're still optimistic, more power to you. I wish I could be there. But that's what it is. Thanks for checking this out. This has been Tom Froemming. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and consider subscribing for more Twins talk here on YouTube. Thanks.